What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Today is a special video because I finally got the tires mounted on the new wheels and we're going to test fit them onto the car. Before we get started with that, of course, don't mind me, I'm a little sick right now, so I went ahead and already worked on these last side canard pieces right here that you guys see. We're going to jump into a quick time lapse so you can see everything I did in order to get these fit. So as you guys can tell, it is fully complete. The only thing I need to do is buy like a little metal spacer right here that's gonna get powder coated black so you're not able to tell. Right now it's just like 3 pieces of like plastic just taped together, but that was just to get the dimension of it being straight right there. So that piece matches with that back one, perfectly aligned. So now that, like I mentioned, that was the last canard I needed to do. We got the fronts done, we got this side done, and we got the rears done long time ago. Also, before we get started, I know you guys just want to see the TC with the new wheels and rubbers on, but I gotta get this exhaust taken care of because I need to start driving my car again. I've been driving my grandpa's truck that's right over there for the past couple weeks, and yeah, I need to get this TC back up because this is my daily. I gotta get it back up and running. For right now, I'm gonna get this exhaust taken off. The plan was never to run it dual exhaust. It's gonna be or dual middle exhaust. It is going to be a dual exhaust, but it's going to be out through the sides, one pipe through each side. But for right now, the hanger did end up breaking, as you guys can tell. It created a massive hole, so I'm gonna might as well just unbolt it from the V-band and just have it open for now until we get started with the new exhaust, because we still got to do some bumper things and whatnot. But we're gonna save that exhaust stuff for another video. We're just gonna take it off and we should be done, and we're gonna start working on the new wheels and tires.
Samsung Galaxy Buds are good for listening and good for talking, because sometimes you want to tune out.
As you guys can tell, not only did it have a hole, but look how damn scraped up it is. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna end up cutting it from right here and selling just this piece on this side, because I'm not gonna have any use for it anymore. So might as well just sell it for like 20 bucks or something, whatever, or sell it to a muffler shop, whatever. But yeah, this I am no longer going to need, and we're gonna run it just like that for now, open until we get the whatever I need to do up out here, and then we'll get the exhaust thing taken care of. So hint hint, we got something more going on over here. Now let's get to the juicy part. Let's go get the wheels out from my room, bring them out here and get them put on. So as you guys can tell, god damn, look at this fitment with a little bit of camber, with the bags. It's gonna look freaking flawless. Look at that, dude. I'm so pumped. I'm so freaking pumped. Just because I'm sick, like, you can't feel my excitement, but I'm freaking excited. Look at how much clearance, quite a bit of amount of clearance right there. Probably when I turn, it might cause an issue. We'll see when we get to that, but I really like how it came out in the back, that you can see the lip a little bit more. The front, you can't really tell the lip as much as the back. You can still see it a little bit, but I feel like I should have gone with a smaller tire. I'm running 245 40 in the front. I should have gone with like a 235 40, and then the rear I did 255 40. But look how much it compresses. That's it. The car went up, it didn't even compress that much. So we definitely need to get bags. I'm already in the works of getting something situated for the CC. Now let's get the jack, let's move it to the front. I'm excited to see, I'm curious to see how the front is going to react by jacking it up. So that's it. Right about there is where it gets to. Damn, it's cutting it really close. Maybe I should have gone with like 35 instead of like 40. With a little bit of camber, I know it's gonna help a little bit, but not that much. I know back here there's no problem with issues, but what I'm worried about is right here, because right here it's already touching right here. Look, I even pushed the front bumper out. Yeah, we're gonna have issues. We're definitely gonna have issues. Yeah, so we'll see. We might just have to clearance this out. That way we don't have to worry about it. Probably is the most the best thing to do. Or yeah, I mean that should be the best thing to do. So we'll probably have to work on that. That way we don't have this issue of the bumper popping out. But other than that, I mean it looks freaking good. I like how it comes out good with canards. Look at that, you can see the tire in between on both sides. Some fat Johnnies. There's some fat Johnnies. Yeah, I'm stoked. I'm excited. A little bit of camber, it's gonna work out freaking perfect. We're getting close. I'm 100% sure we're gonna make it a Toyota Fest this year. 2020. Here we come. So I want to thank you guys all so much for watching, guys. Thank you guys so much for your guys' support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and embrace yourself.